Hi all, it's Ilvana from AllServiceNow Learning. Today we will be covering the email notifications. And email notifications are usually triggered by changes to the system tables or when a record is updated or created. So usually what you want to check when you have the email notifications go out is that it's going out to active users who have an email address. And also you want to make sure that the group, if you're assigning it to a group, to make sure that the group has active users with active email addresses, and that the user has the appropriate notification preferences enabled in the system preferences. Or the user preferences. And today for the demo, what we will do is we will create an email notification, and I'll just go ahead and run you through it. So in order to get the preferences first to see if me as the user has the correct preferences is I will click on the picture here, and you can go to preferences, notifications, and from here you can go ahead and see the allow notifications, and then you have some other options right here to pick from. So, but that's technically one of the things that you need to check. And then also another thing is it would be to go to the profile and make sure that there's an email address listed for the specific user that you are trying to send the notification to. So anyhow, today what we will do is we will create a notification that goes out to the incident table. Let's say if the channel is switched to walk-in, the notification and the state is new, the notification will trigger and be sent to the assignment group that we have to also pick. So, all right, let's go ahead and access the notifications now. And to do that, we will go to System Notifications. System Notifications. All right. Once we go here, these are all the notifications and the tables associated. So if you are searching to see, okay, does this notification already exist and it needs to be modified, you would just right click, let's say for incidents, and it says show the table. And then what you want to make sure is the active is set to true. But also if you have anything that's set where active is set to false, there might be still notifications available. They're just deactivated. So I would check those too. So just to show a few parts of the notification before we send one is what we need to create is we have to give the notification a name. So this one is incident closed. So when the incident is closed, which is on the incident table, if the incident is closed, the caller will be notified. So technically, you need to give it a name. You need to go to the table that you want the notification to apply to, and then you need to validate what you want the notification to be. So if the record is updated and the state is set to closed, the caller will be not notified, and the notification will have a template that says incident, and then it will state the incident number was closed, and the message would be right here, your request was closed, hi, and then it would give it the caller's name, and it will also provide the incident number, it was completed, it's closed, and then it will have some mail scripts. So mail scripts is something that you can actually access if you scroll all the way down and go show notification scripts. It will have the scripts listed here that are applied in this notification. So to preview the notification, you can just click preview the notification and it will show you. So this is the template to make it pretty, and then this is the text that was put in, and the mail script would be something like the view request here. So let's go ahead and see what these mail scripts were. So one's an incident link that has the incident link, and the other one has the incident details. So technically the incident link here to view the request, and then the details below. So that's technically how, and then you have the thank you and the service desk team, which would be then right here below. But all from here, anything down is in the mail scripts, which can be reused. Okay, so let's go ahead and build our own notification now. And in order to do that, let's go ahead and just click new. And we said we will call it, if the channel is a walk-in, notify the assignment group. Okay, we can just call it walk-in notification, or we can put it on the incident table. And then if we go, this can either be left as uncategorized, or we can put it as TSM. Okay, so here it says if the record is updated, or even if the record is updated, or even created with that condition, we can just go ahead and send the notification. So we said the state will be new, and channel is walk-in. There are other options too that you can fire or trigger this notification, either through an event. And events would technically be in the workflows, so you can use those in the workflows, trigger the event, so anytime that the workflow runs and this event is fired, the notifications will go out, or in a business rule as well. So, but for right now, we'll just keep it simple. We'll say if the record is updated or created with these conditions, then we will go ahead and notify the assignment group. So if you wanted to actually just do a specific user, you would go ahead and type in the user's name, active user, or you can just go ahead and type an email address here to send it to if you don't have a user. So from here, that's who will receive it. So we went when to trigger it. So it will be triggered when the state is new and channel is walk-in. Who will receive it? The assignment group. What it will contain. For the template, you can usually just go here and search the templates that already exist. Or you can just go ahead and keep it simple without a template, which we will do because another video I will do on the templates and how to create those. So subject, we can just go ahead and say walk in for incident. And now we can get the incident number from the fields. If we scroll down and make sure you click into this box right here and select number, it will copy it right there. So you can just take it from here and paste it up here. So walk in for incident, and then it will display the incident number. So if you needed to create a message, you will say something like hello, and then you would put the assignment group name probably in there. You can remove this. Hello, and then there was a walk-in incident that was created. Incident number is thank you. So very simple, but that's how these are used. So if you wanted to grab any fields from the assignment group table, you would just go ahead and expand it and get it from there, or from the assigned to, and so on. But anyhow, so now we will go ahead and save this. Let's go to the incident and create an incident. So the system administrator is the caller, and then we will say testing walk-in. We will switch this to walk-in, new, and assignment group incident management. Actually, let's yeah, that's fine. And then this is new, and let's go ahead and save the record. Okay, this is the incident number. So now we need to go to emails, system log emails, and paste the incident number. And there is our notification. So if we were to open this, we can see who the notification went to. So these are all of the members from the incident manager group. And to scroll all the way down and go to preview email, it will say exactly what we mentioned. So hello incident management, there was a walk-in incident that was created, incident number right there listed. So I know this is very simple. It can We can make this very pretty, but for the time being, this is just to validate the functionality. So please let me know if you have any questions, and also subscribe. Thank you.